summer jobs will be outdoors.
Yes.
And if they start today, it's going to be hot.
They're going to go, maybe I should have been working indoors? It's going to be like this, you know, and this really, when you look into the big picture of things like how it is around here in July and August, this isn't really that hot of a day, but it's just been after a string of cooler weather that we're going to get into a hot afternoon. Now, first we need some sunshine, and after a morning full of cloud cover, you can see the clouds already starting to wick away, and we also see a little activity with some Gulf Coast storms developing. Yeah, the sea breeze thunderstorms, you can see are already starting to go along up 10. Believe it or not, you know, geographically speaking, we're in the coastal plain. I know we're in the northern reaches of it, but especially our southern counties still under the heavy influence of activity just like this. So sea breeze thunderstorms are in the forecast, mostly Anderson, Freestone counties. You know, might get up into Henderson County. The chance is only about 20%. But let's talk about this heat today, because most of us, well, all of us are going to have to deal with this. Not only the heat, but the humidity. Temperatures right now into the mid-80s, but look at what happened to the dew points in the overnight. They got up into the 70s, and that's where they're going to sit all day long. So that's very humid air, and you factor in these temperatures, 93 the forecasted high with all this humidity, how your body reacts to this heat, the feel-like temperature is going to get close to the triple digits. Okay, let's talk about tonight. Now, first this afternoon, we're going to see some strong thunderstorms out in West Texas. So watch sunset today. You might see some high clouds way off to the distance because there's an enhanced risk of severe weather from Wichita Falls and to the west. So not in our area. But what happens, these thunderstorms develop out to our west and overnight hold together, kind of cluster together, and they roll into here. Now, the best chance looks to be from Mineral Wells up to Gainesville, where we get these thunderstorms overnight. They're going to be rolling across our area, and they could produce damaging winds. Better chance really in our northwest corner than any time after midnight or after 1 o'clock. But some strong thunderstorms roll across. They could miss the Metroplex, but we'll keep in a slight chance that they do come into the metro area in the overnight hours. Now, Father's Day. Pop-up thunderstorms. There might be a few showers in the morning, just leftover boundaries, but as we get into the afternoon, leftover boundaries could start triggering some thunderstorms. You see at 4 o'clock, and that's how it looks at 7 o'clock, and that's how it looks at 8 o'clock. So this could ramp up rather rapidly as we close the day, get into the evening hours. And right now, the Monday morning commute looks pretty good, but we are getting into some wet weather pattern. Now, 50% chance of thunderstorms you can see in this darker green area in the overnight hours, and then tomorrow for Father's Day, not a washout, but the better chances of rain will be in our eastern counties. So if you're out celebrating Father's Day, you're going to see temperatures actually getting into the 80s across the noon hour into the 90s as those rain chances pick up as we close the day. But the rain chances going nowhere. You see that 60% chance Sunday night, 50% chance on Monday, and they start to finally taper off as we get to Wednesday. Nicole?